5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Left 6 over crest, dip 150. Turn, open, hairpin right. Post, outside, 60. Post, outside. Turn, open, hairpin left. Right 6, don't cut. And bump. And left 4. And right 6. Right 5. And right 4. Post, outside, 200. Right 6 over crest, 100. Left 6, don't cut. And left 4, long, 200. Left 4, long, keep in, don't cut, 250. Right 4, long, keep in, don't cut, 60. Right 5, don't cut. And right 4, don't cut, 100. Left 4. And right 6, into left 5, 100. Right 4 long, tightens, keep in, don't cut. Into left 6, 150. Right 4 long, keep in, 60. Left 5, 60. To finish. Okay, take it to the control. Perfect, good job, well done.